Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. So, sorry guys, let's start this New York session. We have approximately 19 minutes to go over everything what happened since Friday, pretty much nothing. But let's go over and have a tour of the chart and see what would happen in the upcoming weeks. So, regarding gold, so what's happening with gold here? So let's check the daily time frame first. And what we can see here is that gold is heading down. Okay, and that is something that you need to know that the ongoing war, uh, now the negotiations are paused and it looks like there is escalation. So markets might move unpredictably again. So you should be aware of that while trading, especially for the upcoming days, because we still don't know anything about what could happen. So, so make sure to keep that into mind while risking trades. Make sure to keep that into mind. So yeah, this is about this week. So let's check Nasdaq. Check Nasdaq. What's the issue with Nasdaq? And mhm. All right. So we highlighted before this zone. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. Hi Roblox. How are you? How are you doing? You're only writing points. Not sure what it is, but yeah. Not sure what it is, but yeah, for Nasdaq, as we've mentioned, so I'm looking, to be honest, for okay. So what happened here? So we were building loading. Anyway, so we will building liquidity here. So I might be interested in two levels to buy from Nasdaq, since, as I told you, it's most likely that we're stuck inside this range that you can see here. So I might be interested to either buy from this level here or from this level here, and then we can go take out this liquidity here that is forming and maybe hit the 30,000 levels again. So yeah, this is something that we might consider, and on the onto the next live streams, if we see an opportunity to do so, we will definitely do so. We will definitely do so. So yeah, this is about Nasdaq. It looks for the session that we might be bearish. It's still not confirmed, but let's take a look into the other pairs. And what do we have here? So for US 30, pretty much nothing. Still a lot of liquidity building. Like if you can see here, lots of liquidity. And if you can see here as well, lots of liquidity. And we are really near the all-time high. So if we mark this again, which each few days for the last week, as you can see, like we've been this all-time high got liquidated, this all-time high got liquidated another time and another time, and we might see something new here, but it's very risky as well because of the liquidity and the way it has been moving lately. So US 30, if you're looking to like to be safe on the safer side while passing your eval, or while not requesting a payout while trading on your funded account, um, while trading on your funded account, it might be something. So yeah, so let's leave US 30. I won't take a look at US 30 again. If we go really quick on Euro USD, we can find what we can find. So this key level here isn't holding anymore and is not a key level anymore. So we will remove it. Doesn't make any sense. And yeah, nothing else. Nothing else for Euro. Like I'm not a big Euro USD trader or a Forex trader. I mainly focus on Nasdaq and gold. But let's take a look also on US oil. US oil. So for US oil, yeah, as we can see here, you see this small jump up of 13%. This was due to this is due to war stuff. This is due to war escalation. So like if we continue this way, we will probably see like a breakout out of this level here and go back to range inside the prices while during the war. So we might be something like that, and we might see another range here. So it might look something like this. So the first range, war range, post-war range, war range again. So it might be something like that. It might be something like that, but nothing is confirmed because it's still like very hard to estimate what would happen, what's happening. So until any news, like major news happen or something major breakout, we probably still gonna range inside this level zeros. So let's get back to Nasdaq for this session. For this session, I might be looking to short. It might be a good idea if we take a look into smaller time frame. Mm-hmm. So yeah, for Nasdaq, let's wait and see. So I have to wait and see. Okay, we have 10 minutes left until market opens, and we will see if markets provide us any opportunity to do anything. So in the meantime, if we could take a look at poly market, first of all, I don't think, yeah, there is no news for today. Tomorrow we have CPI, but for today there is nothing. If we take a look at the conflict, so what we can see here, no results found. Why? So why there is still nothing here? Okay. All right, so what do we have? Strait of Hormuz traffic returns to normal by July 15. It's pretty much impossible, as we can see here. So the way, also on 31 July, Strait of Hormuz returned by normal at end of the month. So for the next 2 weeks, it's highly expected that there is no chance oil going oil going back up. Okay, so if we go back to the US oil here, If we go back to the US oil here and we go to a higher time frame, it might be a good idea to long to long US oil, but I couldn't find a good entry. But if we have to swing trade, current price current price might be fine. If we have a tighter stop and your risk appetite is actually a bit big, we can easily go back to these levels. So this could be a nice swing trade to take a look at. So as it says here, like nothing is confirmed because this is like prediction made by other guys and normal guys like us. But what prediction market showed us the last few months is that most of the times most of the people will have it right. So if it says here that it will most likely keep like stay closed until the end of the month, we would definitely, and I mean definitely, see higher uh, oil prices because the shortage will happen again and oil prices will climb to war prices. So this is the biggest indicator for now regarding VTI. So I won't take this position, and I'm not telling anyone to take it, but this could be a nice swing trade. It's only based on, on fundamental analysis about a market, just um, like knowing how everything works. So, based on the news and what's happening around the world at the moment, and by the way, today we had other escalations as well, other outside of Iran. So, this might be a good trade idea. If you have a better refined entry with a better stop loss based on your technical analysis, definitely go for it. But it does make sense to look at uh, longs for VTI at the moment. So what else do we have? Next round of US stocks. Iran full airspace closure by August 34. Oh, military action against Gulf. Mhm. Okay. So this is the idea of oil at the moment. Along makes sense. I will update you guys on the next live stream about this position, and we will see if it will play out or not. But I'm not taking it, just in order for you to know I'm not taking this because it doesn't align with my strategy. But it's based on news, and this news might end today, tomorrow, the day after. So be careful with this. Okay. I'm just stating what I think would happen because of what is actually happening with the current war status. But if we go back to Nasdaq, let's remove this for now. This is more like a long-term play. For now, I'm interested to look for shorts, and market opens in 2 minutes, 1 minute actually. So let's wait and see if we go down as well. All right, so market opened, and as expected, we are going down with Nasdaq. Let's see if we keep going down or we might see something else. Okay, so we got wick down. What do we have here? We got exceeded the low. Okay. All right. So by the way, guys, we dropped a new instant model. It's called the Instant Prime Way. How this model works, just so you know. So we have a withdrawal threshold, which is 6% with a daily drawdown. Maximum drawdown is 5, but it's static. 5% static, no news trading. There is no time limit on this account, and there is only 5 minimum trading days in order for you to get a payout on this account. And it's available in 4 account sizes: 5K, 10K, 25K, and 50K. Right now, we have a 50% off only on this Prime Way. So, in order for you to benefit from this account, you can use code Prime50 on checkout, only available on the, and it's starting at 100 238 divided by 2 would be 119 for the upcoming days, and only for the upcoming days. So after that, prices would go back to normal, and Yeah, be aware of this. Definitely something worth to take a look at. And it's, I think, it's most probably the first static instant account that works this way. And it's definitely the cheapest instant static account because where on earth you can find the $650 50K static instant account? Where on earth you can find that? If you can find that, come tell me. With a proper prop firm, definitely. I'm not talking about a new prop firm that still like is like is not gonna pay you. But if you can find if you can find a static account with the same prices, same condition as this, I'm gonna give it to you for free. All right, so let's jump back to Nasdaq and oh, what do we have here? So I'm going to try to short Nasdaq from this level here. So what I would do is this. We refine the entry, and yeah, this looks like it might play out. So let's see. Let's see if it will play out. Next live stream, I'm gonna trade the Prime account and test it out in front of you guys, so you'd have a better idea about it. But $119 for a 5K instant account with static drawdown, that's a steal. And that's a steal. If you're not getting these, or if you trade instant accounts and you're not getting these Prime accounts, like, you're clearly missing out. The sweet spot for me would be this 25K account. This would be the best account. And if you're looking just to invest the least amount of money into getting these and into getting this account to try it out, the 5K would be your pick. Oh, it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to hit entry before going to TP. But I'm happy to hold it for now. I'm happy to hold it for now. All right. All right. Let me just drink pretty quick. It looks like it's gonna hit TP without us, but even if it hits TP without us, I'm willing to keep the orders for now. I'm willing to do so. Let's check the higher time frames. I would only remove I would only remove my limits under one condition if we break below this and we continue going down. And it looks like it's gonna happen. Our bias for this session was right, but our entry was a bit delayed. I wish we had another option or we had a better entry or something. Yeah, I think that's fine. That's fine for now. We still might be able to enter this trade. So let's wait and see. Ooh, look at these candles. So this level will tell us what we should do. And once breaking above it or below it, we'll give you an answer about our position. And it looks that we're gonna break out and continue going down for a bit. But these two levels here that we've marked, there is there is potential to. So yeah, if we arrive to these levels, we might consider to long again. But for this session, it's looking very bearish, very and very bearish. Mhm. Yeah. Okay, it didn't continue, but it looks very bearish. I don't think we're gonna be able to hit our levels and go down. So we got rejected here. You've rejected here, and we might go back up. So let's see. So we're still not invalidating our setup because we didn't close as a full candle below this level and continued going down. So we've rejected this level. We might be able to hit our entry and go back again from it. Mm-hmm. Okay, this might be it. So we're still rejecting, but it's pretty much in the same place. Okay, so we rejected heavily. Mhm. It's giving us hard times to hit our entry. Anyway, guys, I would remove the entries. It's not gonna hit while I'm live, and I want to manage it personally. So we're gonna remove the entries, the orders, and we might take a position into the next live stream. But uh, for now, let's just end this live, and don't forget to check out the Prime Way account, the Instant Prime Way, the cheapest and the best account that have static drawdowns. So no more hard drawdowns on your instant account. No more hard drawdowns on your instant accounts, and you can get started for as low as $119 for now. So make sure to benefit from this offer, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Have a profitable week, a very good one, and good luck with your trading.